Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-L2460DN printer download and installations. USB printer. Okay, so open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and then first link brother.com and just click on it. Now this is Windows and Mac and Linux and mobile also there, so select the Windows. Now Windows 11, Windows 11 3264 server also there. So other the Windows any operating system installations process same, then click to OK. Now this is a easy setup. Now this is full setup with the software, and this is only printer driver. Okay, so click on it. Now scroll down and click to download. After that it will complete it, and click to this icon. So when click on this icons, it will open where it is downloaded. You can see download, then just right click to open. So it will create another folder. So you can see this is your printer driver. Okay, now this is the final step to installations. Click to start, then click on setting, and then click to print Bluetooth and printer, and then printer and scanner. Now click to add, and after the you click the add, it will show manual options within a second like this, and click to add, then click to last, and then next, click to have disk. Now click to browse, and then click to open, and then click OK. Then find out your printer, your 2426. So this is your printer 2460, and then next. Now this is installing, finish, next, finished. Now you can see this is your printer is installed. Okay, then now restart your printer and system also, and then please check the printing.